slightly more detail on this map about what's in this area. So I'll film it. You are here, I'm there. Car park is up there, so you come in off the road, 300 metres or so, and I've just walked along here to here, and I think I'm going to loop back round to the cars. No point going back the same way I've come. Still hear fighter jets in the distance over the wash, but you can't see them, which is slightly annoying. Oh, there we go, contrail up there. Let's see if I can get that. That'll just be a civilian plane if I can find the contrail. There's hardly anything there for me to see, unfortunately. There we go. It's 90 times zoom. A bit of red on the tail, could be an Easyjet. I think that's Easyjet.